What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you this hair tutorial. It's just crimped and kind of wavy, and yeah, so if this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching. So I'm first starting out by taking out my hair and then running a brush through it. I'm using the Fremar detangler brush. And this is like day 3 hair, so I'm also gonna apply some dry shampoo. So next, I'm going to separate my crown area from the rest of my head, so I'm just going to clip that away. And then I'm going to spray my hair with a heat protectant. This is the Hot Sexy Hair Protect Me spray. So it's like a hairspray, shine spray, but it also provides heat protection as well. Just like to brush that through my hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and split it down the middle and the back. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm taking my Conair Waver and I'm going to take these vertical sections. Not too big, not too small. I'm just using my crimper, starting like really close to the root, waiting a few seconds, and then going down the hair. This process kind of takes a long time just because you have to crimp every single piece of hair, but it's so worth it. I always get so many compliments on this hair look, so I wanted to share the way I do it with you guys. I just want to keep doing this to the remainder of the hair in that bottom section. We're going to do something a little bit different with the top. All right, now that both sides are done, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the top. So I like to take down this section and split it straight down the middle. I am a perfectionist, so that's why I'm messing with it. Trying to get the part perfectly. You don't have to get it perfect. This is more of a messy look anyways, so it's just my personal issues and OCD. And we're just gonna spray our sections with some heat protectant, run a brush through it, and then go ahead and start crimping. We are gonna take vertical sections again. I feel like I've bored you all with this, so give me 1 second and I'll show you how to style it. So I'm going to run some hairspray through it, just kind of spray it all over the place. Then I like to run my fingers through it to just kind of separate the waves just a little bit. And you can just see it just grows so much. I know I look like like one of the presidents with those wigs on, but I promise it looks better. Do a little dance, shake hair out, boom. So next you just want to pick up any kind of hair elastic, hair tie. It could be a little rubber ones, it could be just the elastic ones. I like to take the part from my highest arch on my brow and just kind of follow that and do kind of like a crescent shape. And then I just tie my hair up, fluff it out a little bit, and that is literally it. I also like to pull my baby hairs forward. So I get some hairspray on a spoolie and then just kind of lay it down, I guess. Completely optional, but I like big hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray a comb with some hairspray and just kind of tease that top little ponytail. That way it's a little fluffier and bigger. Just go ahead and mess around with it until you get it to where you want it. And yeah, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know your thoughts down below. I love feedback, and yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Love you. Bye.